Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to access setting in XM app. The XM app is a popular trading platform used for the forex and financial markets, and the settings section is where you can manage your account preferences, security notifications, language and more. And knowing how to access it helps you customize the app and keep your account secure. So first make sure you unlock your phone and open your XM app on a device and wait for it to load, and make sure to log into account, enter your ID, email and password, complete the login and verification if required. And what you can do is in the top right corner there's a small profile icon there. Tap on the profile icon. Under this profile icon on the bottom we can find there's an option for the settings. Just above the support, tap on the setting, and now here you're just inside the settings icon. Here you can manage your profile, personal information, documents, security, legal documents, preferences, notifications, appearance and language here as well. And that is it. Accessing settings in XM app is simple. Just open the app, go to your profile or menu and tap on the setting. From there you can customize your experience and manage your account safely. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.